What if you can make $40, $50, or even $150 literally doing nothing? All the hard work will be done by someone else, and you'll just take the commission without doing anything. In this video I'm gonna show you something that you might never see before. That's not required any affiliate approval waiting or anything else. So grab your phone, laptop, and watch me how I go through the process. And if you are super excited about that, then smash the like button guys, and if you're new to my channel, then be sure you subscribe to my channel. So first of all you wanna head over to Fiverr.com. Now again, I'm not gonna tell you to start selling something here. I already told you without selling anything and without any hard work, you could make $40 to $150 literally doing nothing, so be patient and watch carefully. Okay, so now if you go a little bit down, then you can see some of their top categories, or if you see at the top, then you can see they have graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, and many other categories they have. And if you hover over one of these categories, then you can see under one category they have many other categories. Now why they have these all types of category services, is because people are searching for these categories. People need these types of services every minute, and that's why they have all types of services here. And you know what? You can take advantage of these categories. You can use these services and you can make thousands of dollars without selling anything yourself, and without doing any hard work yourself. Let me show you how. You want to head over to this website, which is affiliates.fiverr.com. So you want to come to this website first. And here as you can see, boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr, which means you can make money by only sending people to Fiverr. And check this out here. Promote the leading marketplace for freelance services. Get paid to drive traffic, it's that easy. So they're not telling here to sell a service yourself. They're not telling here to handle every customer and communicate with them. They're just telling to send traffic, send people to Fiverr, and that's it you wanna do to make hundreds to thousands of dollars. So as you can see here, a start earning now button, so you wanna click this button. Now listen, from now on, every step is very important. If you really wanna make money online, then pay close attention from now. Otherwise if you do any step wrong, then you won't see yourself making any money online, so watch every second closely. Okay, so once you click this button, then it'll bring you to the sign up page. And here you want to fill up this form and you want to complete your sign up process. And once you guys logged into your account, then this is how you'll see your dashboard. It's a brand new account, so that's why it looks like this. So here you can track your performance, like how much traffic you're sending, how many people converted into leads, how much commission you've made, and many other things you can track here. So now to start making money, you want to click right here as you can see marketing tools. And then you want to click default and deep links. And from there it'll bring you to this page. And here as you can see you have different types of links. But which one you want to promote? Now don't worry guys, I'll show you a free traffic source that you can use to make thousands of dollars with this website. Okay, now let me tell you which link you want to promote. If you promote the Fiverr CPA link, then you'll make a one-time commission from that, like $150, $50, $40. And it will depend on what types of category services your traffic will buy. Or if you want to promote the Fiverr hybrid, then you'll get $10 for the first purchase, and a 10% commission you'll earn from the next purchases, and this 10% commission you'll earn for the next 12 months. Now if you find someone that could buy Fiverr services constantly, then you can promote Fiverr hybrid to that person. Otherwise I'll prefer to choose Fiverr CPA. Cause with Fiverr CPA you'll earn an instant commission, and the highest commission you can earn is $150. So I hope you understand this step clearly, and now I want to show you how you can promote a specific category service. Let's say you saw somewhere someone needs a logo for his company, and you want to promote a logo design service to that person as an affiliate. And to do that, you want to come to the Fiverr first, and here you want to search logo design. Then you want to hit this button search, and once you search logo design, then it'll come up with tons of different logo design services. So what you want to do, you want to open a gig from here, and once you open a gig, now you want to look to the URL of this gig, and you want to select the URL right before this question mark, Then you want to make this URL a copy, and then you want to come back to the Fiverr affiliate website. Now here you want to look for this LP URL. LP means landing page. So you want to click here, and here you want to paste the landing page URL which you have copied. Then you want to press the enter key on your keyboard, and then you'll see all of your affiliate links are changed. Now if you want to earn $10 one time with a 10% commission for 12 months, then you'll copy this Fiverr hybrid link. Or if you want to earn a fixed one-time commission, it could be $40, $50 or $150, then you want to copy this Fiverr CPA link. So you want to click this icon to make a copy of this link. Now I want to congratulate you if you've come this far without skipping any steps, and now I want to show you the traffic source, and before I show you that, I want you to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then hit the subscribe button guys. Okay, so for the traffic source you have to understand first where people are looking for these types of services. Then you can easily grab those people, and you can send them to Fiverr through your affiliate link, and you'll find these types of people on a website like Reddit. Reddit is a social news platform that allows users to discuss and vote on content that other users have submitted, and the crazy thing is, this website has over 1.70 billion monthly visits, which means 1.70 billion monthly traffic this website has. So you want to come to this website, and here as you can see search Reddit, and here you want to search something like, how can I make a logo? Or if you want to promote a web design service, then you'll type how can I make a website, and you can do that with hundreds of categories, then you want to press enter. And then here as you can see time, and you want to filter time by past hour, past 24 hours, or past week. And then you'll see tons of people asking different types of questions on that topic. So what you want to do, you want to reply to them with your affiliate link. You want to tell them that they can make their logo at a cheap price, and they will get 24-hour service, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. You want to force them to check out your affiliate link. And this is how if you can send 10, 20 or 30 people per day, then it'll be possible to make $4,500 literally doing nothing. And if you haven't watched this video, then I highly recommend you to watch this video as well. And please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you there.